Hello. We have a new amplifier for the Prodigy machine, and it will fit in the same footprint as the old amplifier, but the difference is there will be A, B, and C for the motor connector, but you want to put the red wire to A and the black wire to B. Okay? Also, if you have this style connector, there's a 16-pin connector that's up there, and if you've got these wires here like I have, you'll see this red wire that I have is over on the number 11 pin. It needs to be moved over to the number 9. I've marked it right there. So basically you just need to take a screwdriver or something small you can stick in here, push down on this, and then you'll pull that wire out. It will move over 2 pins. It's going to push into there, and you'll just push it, it'll snap in, and that's it. That's all you have to do. That's the only difference in it. It just takes a different arrangement with the wire. Super easy to do. So I just wanted to show a video on how to do that if you're replacing your amplifier with a new style. Thank you and have a blessed day.